have you been? This is the first video of 2022. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make a paper bag with a piece of paper, a scissor, a glue, and some colors. Let's get started. So we take a piece of paper and fold it in half. Like this. Now you see the open part here? You just fold it a teensy bit. I'll show you. Like this. And it's the opening side. So now you open it up. And then you take this part that's on the other side and fold it to this side. Takes your trusty glue stick on both sides. And now, see this? Now you just glue it like this. And don't press too hard, otherwise you'll crumble it. So you'll have a big hole like this. Hello. And now take this and fold it up like this. Like this much. Or less if you want. And here comes the tricky part. It was like this. I popped it and then folded it. Uh-oh, the glue's falling off. Fixed. This. So it should look like something like this. And fold a bit of this, not all the way up, but halfway. Or less. Like this. And then take your trusty glue stick and glue it on this part. So it was like this. So it was like this, but I folded it and sticked it. Good. And we're almost done. Fold this and this. Okay, done that part. You can open it up now. And if you want, you can cut some excess part to make it a bit more smaller. Perfect. There you go. Okay, we're almost done. Now all you do is put your and you're done. And whenever you want, you can just fold it back. Ta-da! And then you can open it back. And you can also decorate it. I'm going to start decorating. You can make bigger paper bags, and instead of using plastic bags to help the environment and the little fish in the ocean. And if you like this video,